I'm going to display the history. Now I'm going to create the one parcel view. So there will display that, and I have created that one model, that is a view model for display the booking history, the room booking history. So now I'm going to create parcel view, and the right click on the share folder, add view. So that will be the parcel view. This create parcel view. Just enter, give the name. So I'm going to the name, that is a booking history parcel. Okay, so click on add, and just enter that one, that this one will be the I enumerable. So just enter model, and it will be the I enumerable. And now it will be the for each loop. First I'm going to create the table. So because in the table I'm going to bind the style, so width should be 100%. Now that t head, so inside of t head, then tr, then th. I'm going to add that all those header first. I've created that all those headers. Now in that you can say the t body, just inside of t body, just enter that one your for each loop. Okay, for each loop, that where item in your model. So now in this for each loop, first need to add tr, then your td. So TT will be that @item dot. First it will be the customer name, same like other need to add. Now here you can see that I have added that your item dot customer name, address, phone number, booking from. So here I have formatted booking to formatted, and that your total amount, that also I formatted that one. Now this one I am going to call through that controller. So I'm going to use the open the index.cshtml, this for booking, and here I'm going to write something div. I give the name, so it will be the id booking div booking history, div booking history. That's all. So now I'm going to create one JavaScript file. So here I'm going to create the one function just in the top. Yeah, after that I'm going to call that JavaScript. So call that JavaScript function load booking history. Okay, we create the function. So it will be $.ajax call. Then first it will be the async will be the true, type it's equal to get, data type this one will be the HTML data type, because here it will return that your parcel view, so that's why it's this one will be the content type. Content type will be the false, and also process type also it will be the false. This one also it will be the false. Then URL I'm going to create that booking get all booking history. Then next one it will be the function success. So I'm going to create the function it will be the your data. So this one will be bind with that view, and now error which will return the function. So alert, there is some problem to process your request, please after some time. Okay, that is done. Okay, this data need to bind. This data will be bind that with the div. So this one is the div. So call here dollar. So id selector dot html will be that your data. So just call this load booking history into document.ready function here. Okay, that one is done, and also one more place here we should call that one load booking, that one. So this so go to the this particular load booking. This is your parcel view. So this one will be returned create public that parcel view result, and okay, this one will be that http get. Okay, and it will return the parcel view. So first will be the parcel view name. Parcel view name is that your booking parcel, and here it will return the null. Okay, without list of the room booking view model. Here I have to create the join also. Okay, list of the booking view models equal to new view model, and list of view model equal to from obj in object entities dot hotel booking, that's room booking. Then now here it will come the join. So which it's going to be join, it will join with your object entities dot room, because need to get the room entities dot rooms. Okay, so then it will be that object room, and this one object your hotel booking object room. Now here object room dot your assigned room id equals dot object room dot your room id. Okay, now select new that is your room view model, or here it will come the to list. Okay, now we will fill the sort value booking from, so it will come from here object dot booking from, same like other. Now if you click at the booking, now you can see the all those record, like your name, this is your customer name, and your address, phone number, booking from to booking to, and here also you can see that number, then room number is that, a number of members, and then amounts. Now here one more thing we can add, that is a number of days. So we'll add one more field. Go to the definition. I'm going to add one more, that is a prop integer number of days. Okay, so how you will get the number of days? So here if you will come number of days, that is your booking to minus your booking from, and just make a bracket, and it will be total number of days or total days here. Now this one need to convert 20 32 and make it this one, that is a number of days. One more, okay, this one is a number of days. Now this one I'm going to add into that number of members, and here we'll add one more, that is a number of days. Okay, and one more thing we can add, that is your price. So go to the booking controller, add one more field, that unit price, that is going to add that decimal room price, or you can say the tariff. This one is actually tariff, so but I'm going to add the room price. So then I go to the booking controller, here I'm going to add room price equal to object room dot room price. That's all. Okay, same thing I have to add into here number of days. I'm adding number of days and room price. Okay, that room price has been, so number after number of members, then number of days, then room price, number of members, then number of days. If you will click here, number of days, and more, that is a price, room price. Okay, so room price I'm going to convert that format, the same is this one. Okay, now save that. Now if you will run the application, then click on booking, a new booking. Oh, sorry, there is some problem here. Double, I think that one, that link query will not work in this one, so we will change with another way. Just going to delete this value. For entity member, we have to use the system dot data dot entity dot difference db function dot difference days. Okay, so here need to write like a from, then to, okay, then dot value. Okay, now save and run the application. Now click on booking. Here you can see the number of days 2 and 9. This is 45, this one is 5600. That calculated total amount. Okay, now I'll try to add one more, 104, Here I'm going to add that customer name. Software company, customer address Bangalore, mobile number is this, date 6th November to 7th November, okay, for 1 day only. Then 6, going to add 2 member, click on save. Hotel booking is successfully created, click on OK, close. Now you can see that this is added. There is amount that 550. What I have done till now, just now I created that one view model, that for booking view model. Then parcel view, here I'm adding that all those properties and in the table, and this parcel view I'm returning through that book controller. So here you can see that parcel view result, that get booking history, and parcel view, that is a parcel view and the list of. So here you will see that it will returning the parcel view result. So that means in the index, if you look, you will go to that your load booking history. I'm calling that one, that particular action method, get all booking history. If you look here, that is just get all booking history is here, okay. And I'm adding to one div. So this div is existing in the bottom, that is this div. Here I'm adding that one, that particular data table. Something is done here, that filter add the room. Now here you can say that rooms, here you can click the add the rooms, you can add the room here. Now here that is the booking, so what all field is the booking, what our room is booked, that you can see here. So later we will create that payment status, so there that customer can pay that money. So in that payment, for that customer will that user will select that your payment type and payment amount.